Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 21st, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I would have certainly liked to just not done this video today. We just had a really bad day today, at least very frustrating for me, and I can't honestly explain exactly why. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, which of course we kind of track as being an indicator of the overall market, did okay today. You can see here what happened. Yesterday we had an up day, although it was after a big dip. This almost looks like a bull spike, but I don't know that what we had today could be exactly called a follow-through on a bull spike. The Dow opened down pretty hard at the beginning of the day, but then climbed up to again pulled back a little, but then got some steam at the end and ended up closing up 39 points. Now, this is not a pattern which we dislike. Normally we do pretty well with this kind of pattern. I'll tell you, today was just horrible with what we got into. We got into 15 positions today, and 13 of, well, 2 were positive and 13 were negative. And our net open trade equity that we're carrying into tomorrow is $16,000. That's $16,000 negative. It's just terrible. And looking at this, I can't explain it. There's no reason for it, but it happened. Now, the only thing positive I can say about it is we had a bunch of positions coming in today, and we did really well with those getting out. We got out with over $7,500 in closed out trades from what we carried into today. So that part is really good, but you can't talk about it being good when you're carrying negative $16,000. And we're not out of that yet. That's the problem. We're not out of that. We don't know what, and I'm looking at this chart here, and I'm thinking, this thing could dump tomorrow. And we want the thing to dump. I don't like it where it is. I would like to see the Dow, go down 200-300 points from here, but I don't want it to happen tomorrow. Not when we're holding 15 positions with $16,000 already negative. That could get disastrous. Right now, if we could just get out of those positions with $16,000 loss and say, well, hey, we got nearly $8,000 in profits today, hey, we'll survive that without any trouble. But what scares me is we're holding all that negative equity, and we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Anyway, I'll show you a couple of the charts. I might as well show you the horrible one first. Well, I'm having a little trouble here. Well, okay, folks. Bob's going to get it here. Here we go. Okay. My charts are going like the trading day went. Anyway, this is a stock we haven't seen too much of. It's Supercom, SPCB, and this thing took off today, and we bought it pretty high. But regardless of buying pretty high, when it was up here, I even took a screenshot. You could go look on the website. I took a screenshot. This thing was up over $3,000. It looked like it was going to the moon. And then, I have no idea what the news was, but it just fell out of bed from there and kept going down, 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 and where it closed, we're down negative $6,000. So we went from being positive over $3,000 to negative $6,000 on this, and like I say, we're not out of it yet. So we don't know what this thing's going to do tomorrow. So SuperCom was anything but super. This was a super nightmare. That's what I call this stock today. But, you know, it happens. It really does. I will show you just one decent trade that we had today, so you don't think that it's all bad. This is EMES. That's Emerge Energy Services. And we had gotten into this yesterday near the end of the day, and we got out of it near the beginning of the day. So we, in terms of hours, we were only into this trade, you know, a couple hours, like day traders almost, only we held it overnight. And we got over $3,500 out of EMES and got up pretty close to the high for that stock today. So that trade was good. But hey, that was the only thing that was really good. Nothing else really was very good today. So anyway, bad day. We're traders. We're tough. We'll get through it. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.